Hi everybody, I'm Brian Podwarny, proud CPDJA member and part of your e-com team. Some really exciting things are happening in the CPDJA right now, and the e-com needs your help. What's the e-com, you ask? Well, that's that group of a half dozen people putting in hours and hours of volunteer time to create a better association for you. Anyway, as a starting point, we've assembled well over 300 topics that are going to become the base of a new members-only educational platform. Some topics are larger or more complex than others, and some are super simple, meant to basically refresh knowledge for veteran DJs or to get newbies or maybe multi-op staff moving in the right direction. Some will be simple articles to read, some could be podcast recordings, and some may be video presentations. Here's where we need your help. Tag a great Canadian DJ that you know would be a great candidate to instruct on one or maybe more of the following topics. The basics of business, including finances, marketing and branding, online tools, social media, that sort of stuff. Music, including creating playlists, cultural knowledge, music history. Performance, emceeing, mixing, planning, engaging the audience, and of course, using that voice of yours. Sound reinforcement, which basically means understanding sound, speakers, mics, and all that ohm stuff. Live streaming, how to do it, and what you need to make it happen. Lighting and video design, rigging, creativity, audio production like recording, mixing, editing. The better we are at all of these types of services we provide, the better we will be. Our industry will gain much more deserved respect, we'll earn a better living, and our events will be more successful overall. This is such an exciting project, and we can't wait to get your help with it. Tell us who you would like to see below, and let's make something else that no other DJ association has for its members.